What are nature-based solutions? They harness nature's power by letting nature do what it is best at, or mimic it. Example, marine and coastal ecosystems buffer against natural calamities. Grassland ecosystems produce biomass, assist water recharge, harbor microbial life, form and conserve soil. Wetlands filter wastewater, stabilize soil, sequester carbon, amongst more. Forests provide numerous ecological services ranging from precipitation regulation to emission sequestration to damage prevention from calamities like earthquakes amidst a lot more. Ecologically designed cities do not require expensive artificial landscaping or resource intensive retrofits. Biodiversity parks and ecotourism spots offer simultaneous awareness, economic and ecological benefits. Greenbelts mimic forest to abate pollution. Tree plantation and transplantation create and maintain ecosystem services. Why nature-based solutions? Because they are proactive. Engineering interventions alone are reactive and resource intensive. Nature-based solutions reduce emissions, build resilient communities, generate social, economic and ecological benefits. What does Terracon Ecotech do? We conserve natural ecosystems and restore the already degraded ones. Our vision is to populate nature-based solutions for a cleaner, greener and healthier planet. Nature-based solutions are crucial because what harms the natural world harms us always.